Hey guys, welcome back to Tuta's Backyard Builds. Hope everyone is doing fine. Today we're gonna head to a hangout / car show up in Pembroke Pines. It's about 20 minutes from where I live. I'm gonna give you guys some great footage. It's gonna be a little bit of everything. You're gonna have some imports, some trucks, old schools. So there's a little bit of everything. Hopefully there's good lighting, that way I can give you guys some great footage. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, had to pull over real quick at Burger 5, get a quick bite. Starving, I'm a fat ass, I gotta eat. So I'm gonna eat real quick and we're gonna head to the show after. Guys, we just made it here. It's early, so pretty empty. Got a couple of cars here, a couple of imports. Got my buddy right here, James, on his hot sauce Rego. Red on gold 4Gs. Got my boy Brian on his GMC truck on replica. I believe these are 26s.
Always been me, I'm poppin'. I ain't really here for the gossip, nah. Blah, 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 yeah, I'm try to play me, but you tried it. Way too wavy, gotta ride it. Pull up on you, yeah, we sliding. Make our eyes roll when I slide in. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the commas.
Ay, pull up and how about we sliding? Loaded away from beside these beeline. Skating on Dayton's, we gliding. I'm hitting that in the driving.
Hitting that while we vibing. You know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing. Dress it up, yeah, I be styling. Eat up the drip, she be dining. Straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they admire. All of these expiring. Ice of the boss and we hiring. Raising the hood where it's sirens. They hopping on ship like a pirate.
Ay, ay, driving the boat and I came for the loot and the tragedy. Be hating, do better. Dropping them ashes, done burn me a hole in my sweater. I'm stingy, I'm holding this cheddar.
Holding this cheese, living more better. Smoking these doobies with Xavier. We keep the gravy, yeah, we too groovy. We keep it unruly, know it's yours truly. Smoke a big head, call it Stewie. Bad chick, wanna do me. Thick and she coolly, she busted open like a Uzi. I busted, then I'm back to duty. Call of Duty, I'm online with it. Took my time with it, watch the operators. They be plotting, on the go with the gang and they rock with us. Everywhere that we go, we be popping up. Yeah, we popular, eyes on us like binocular. Yeah, they time is up, you could try your luck. Stay anonymous, but in God we trust.
In God we trust. All these looking odd to us. Riding way just like they ride the bus. Them pretty wanna ride my the vibe is us.
that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Down, these thoughts clueless. Lobster Mac, I'm up at roof. Chris, from my tone, you peep the smoothness. In this world, you get the loot. Then your dreams is gonna be lucid. Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time, you gonna be foolish. All that BS for the birds. They come to me, I'm chucking deuces. I stay loyal to the soil, never out here breaking truces. On this road, it's bumps and bruises. Either you move smart or stupid. Nike's on my feet, yeah. And I got a couple swooshes. We ain't have a choice, really. It was either sports or music. Came up in that 90s gritty. That's why this so therapeutic. And you know the flow like fluid. Leave a water boy ruined. Always under the influence. Catch me fresh up in the newest. But I'm always round the fewest. Brothers that I call my unit. G with my G's, cause you know them hundreds be the bluest.
It's on some coward. Always talking politics. Staying to ourselves. We've been proud of our accomplishments. Seen a lot of, but that don't mean I had to follow it. We in a different caliber. These just some scavengers. Feeling like King Arthur when he grabbed the sword Excalibur. Always plan ahead, we've been looking at the calendar. Designated driver, but I'm sitting in the passenger. Stacking up our bread, we just watch the numbers adding up. I ain't gon' front, we gon' need a bladder, bruh. All that don't matter, you could tell them batter up. I need my pockets fat enough. Hit her with that stamina, keep getting fatter, bruh. Pull up in the Maxima, turned up to the maximum. We in here laying tracks again. This hit was designed and it wasn't by no accident. Like Dill said on Tempo, had to switch up the tempo. And we never forcing vibes, cause we keeping it simple.
This be space-time continuum breaking speech. The clock's tick-tocking, quit watching, I'm making heat. Get burned, turned, flip like a snitch. When I spit words, quick I spit the vicious shit. Then I dip swerve, driving to a lane less infested with lanes. And I cess burning, who you saying the best? I'm playing chess learned. Y'all was playing checkers, Papa Sans and my Passat. I was off the rock and nothing changed cause I'm still on. 1 to a million, I'm crazy beyond gone. Most convoluted mind in the world since the dawn of Swan. Conquer the world with wonton soup recipes like much love to the God beat. I'm probably afflicted with cerebral palsy. The way I keep slipping off these bits of odd speech singing. You could chase $1, yeah.
All right, guys, I have to cut it a little bit short. I got to go to work early tomorrow. But I hope you guys like the footage. It was a lot of nice import cars. You had a little bit of old schools. You had a little bit of trucks out there. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you guys could please comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see more of those footage? I could continue going to these hangouts, car shows, and providing you guys with some great footage. Let me know what you guys think. Please comment below. Also, guys, I want to let you guys know I might be giving you guys a surprise this weekend. It's not for sure, but I really got my eyes on this G-Body. And I'm going to take a look at it this weekend. And if that car is clean, the way the owner describes it is, I'm bringing it home. So I might be giving you guys a surprise this weekend. It's not for show yet, because I got to see it. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.